Hello, friends. I would like to share something about my experience with my Vastu courses with Pankit Goyal ji. There are so many things which are appreciable. The first thing I would like to say is the cost. It's been 2 years I was thinking to learn Vastu, and but whenever I used to hear the cost, that standard people, standard Vastu teachers, they are charging in lakhs, I used to feel a bit discouraged because it was too high for me to pay as being a housewife. And I started learning from here, there, whatever the resources were available, and started practicing it with my friends and relatives by helping them and by doing the practice of Vastu. Meanwhile, just couple of months before, I heard about someone who is teaching, whose name is Pankit Goyal, and who is teaching Vastu at such a affordable and reasonable price. I just felt that yes, this is the right time for me, and maybe my call has been heard by the universe. So I took no time in deciding that yes, I should learn from here. First of all, I attended his BBC, his basic Vastu course, which is providing free with no cost at all. And I was quite impressed with the way he teaches, with the way he shares his knowledge. And he is really very profound and skillful Vastu consultant and teacher also. And second thing, I would like to say that I'm very comfortable in learning and the way the courses are going on one by one. And the best thing is that I don't feel insecure that if I miss a part or if I don't understand anything, what would happen, because I can repeat it anytime. So that facility has been given for lifetime, and that is really amazing. So all these things make it a perfect course, but my words are less to appreciate all this, along with the team Pankit ji is having, Taran ji and Puneet ji. So real thanks to them.